there's just a little bit of glue squeeze out there, which means it's brought it together just enough. Welcome to the shed. In today's video, I just wanted to share a quick little repair video on this rough table that's been sitting outside, which, if you caught my last video, I did pick this up off a verge. It had a particle board top. I put this giant jarrah top on it, and it sits out in the chicken coop. These are a little bit twisted. That's how it was. They've been glued in like that. I think it's possible they've actually moved slightly at one point and then they were re-glued, but I'm not sure on that because it looks like there's a little break in the glue just here. But we're not going to worry about that. We've just got to find the piece that actually is missing the bit of timber. Is easy because it's actually still attached to this one just here. So that's what I'm going to do, is quickly go around, we'll clean these up, and then we'll look at gluing this back together and repairing any other little splits and cracks that there might be, because there is a little split here, and when I glue the top on, I'll actually just run a bead of glue in there and actually clamp that separately on the side, I think, to actually just pull that together. So I'll sit this off to the side and we'll start by cleaning up these mortises. Now we can see there's just a little bit of glue raised on here, so what you want to do is just keep your chisel nice and flat and just pare it off. Turn it over. Do the same on this. So I'm just referencing off here, although it's pretty rough in this case. I can also see that this one here has actually come loose on this side. I just noticed it then. And this one, you can see down here there's a bit of glue there. I'm just going to knock that out so I can push this in the distance it already was and re-glue it. I just want to knock it down a bit. I don't need to actually completely remove it. So I've just scraped that tiny bit of glue out. That should be enough. Now that we've prepared those, we need to go ahead and glue it back together. My order of gluing is going to be to glue this in and clamp that first. That means I can sort of hold that out of the way because it's on the edge. So let's go ahead and do that. So while we wait for this to dry, let's have a look if we can put the lid together, or the top of this, a little better so it doesn't fall apart. Let's get these back in some sort of orientation so we can where they fit the best. They're not all the same size, but that doesn't really matter. So I'm going to change the orientation. This has no groove on it, so it can't easily take the board, and this one's broken. So what I'm going to do is sandwich the broken one in the middle here. So it's going to bow a little bit, so when we put the cleats on the other side, it'll bring this bow out of it, so I'm not too fussed at the moment. Now we've got the top done, let's get the structure for the bottom back up here. I'll take those clamps off, put a couple of those Japanese nails in, and then attach the top, and I'll let the whole thing sit and dry. In this case, I'm not going to pre-drill these. I'm just going to slowly run them in, back them off a couple of times, and what that does is slowly groove its own hole into the timber. So as soon as I get resistance and it lifts it, back off. So now all that's left with this is to let the glue dry, and then I can go back out. Now it's very sunny and hot where I am today, so I'm probably just going to put it straight out there, get some nice sun on it, provide shade for the chooks straight away, and it'll dry that glue in no time. It's not going to get wet by anything, so there's no real problem with me putting it straight out. There you have it, folks. That's the repair of this ugly piece of furniture that's going to do the job it's designed to do, and is a very rough piece of hand tool woodworking. So if you like this video, please do like and subscribe down below. While you're down there, do sound off in the comments whether you've built something like this, or repaired or upscaled something that is functional but very ugly. Bye for now.